Transportation companies are polluters. We've heard this accusation so many times. And to be honest, it's not wrong. Or it used to be. But that's changing, and we have been working very intently on reducing our environmental impact. Pollution has a variety of causes, so there's not just one easy fix. Each has to be addressed individually. Let's look at mobility first. So, everything that moves. For years now, as a result of both regulatory pressure and to meet our own goals, we have reduced our emissions of particles by more than 90% by using Euro 6 engines compared to the old Euro 3 standard. Already, studies conclude that diesel trucks and buses are far more efficient in their use of diesel than cars are. But even so, commercial vehicle manufacturers are working tirelessly to reduce emissions further, because any pollution is already too much. There are 3 possible solutions that are currently in development. Biofuels are one solution. However, if we were to rely on these alone, it would require enormous quantities of crops to produce enough for replacing diesel. Electricity is a solution for vehicles that we're all now quite familiar with. Batteries are getting better and better all the time, but there are still several challenges to overcome. Cost, autonomy, weight, and especially the need for recharging infrastructure to be in place. As well, it still requires the production of electricity, which also causes pollution. This is why we're trying out Cargo Bike, with a very positive pilot cases for making low-impact deliveries in the city center of Brussels. We believe that the solution has great potential to solve many issues related to pollution, congestion, and noise reduction. Hydrogen is, for the moment, an attractive solution. However, this source of fuel still needs to be fully stabilized with special batteries. There exists no single solution at the moment. It may be that a combination of solutions and multimodal distribution will make the biggest impact in the near future, using electric and human-powered vehicles for last-mile delivery, while relying on hydrogen and biofuels for long-distance hauls. The Ziegler Group is banking on some kind of combination like this. So how about things that don't move, like facilities? Fortunately, there are already many environmental solutions for lessening a building's negative impact on the environment. Optimized lighting via the use of LEDs and automatic shutoffs. Solar panels for the production of electricity. Logistics buildings have no lack of roof real estate to collect free energy from the sun. Rainwater recovery for on-site use. Better insulation to reduce the need for artificial heating and cooling. Lastly, we also need to address our own behavior so that we can make adjustments in our working habits to be more eco-conscious. Our employees already are very considerate of their actions at work, believing that saving energy is everyone's responsibility, not just the company. Whether it's our drivers, warehouse staff, or office staff, they're all working together to play their part. These 3 sources for pollution cannot be ignored. We are committed to making real progress on these aspects at all of our sites with all of our teams. Ziegler, now even greener.